Oh my God. It's an Emerson 540A super heterodyne tube radio from the 40s, 50s. I found it in the thrift store today. Welcome to Hack a Week. Emerson, you thought they were just some silly company that was around in the 70s, right? Wrong. No, they've been around for a long time. 1947 is when they invented this one. It's the Model 540A, made from Plascon. Haven't even done any research on what Plascon is yet, but I'm guessing it's a resinous type plastic. Early plastic, after Bakelite. This is pretty cool. There's no cord in the back of it. And it was sold for $8. I've seen this on eBay already for $350 for a red one like this with a chip in the corner. Mine's in better shape than that. Do I want to sell it? No. I want to fix it. I want to put it on the shelf with my other really cool old radios, and once in a while turn it on and listen to AM radio talk shows. First we need to make it work. Lovely rainy afternoon in North Carolina. My garden is loving this. That's a good angle, I like that. Let's close the door. There's a loop antenna under this cover, that much I know. There's a screw in the corner and one over in this corner. I'm really happy that the case on this thing is in good a shape as it is. Minimal chippage. There's a chip here, and I think that's it, and some heat damage from the tube right here. Evidently sat somewhere where it didn't get any cross ventilation or whatever and fried the case a little. Only one more screw and it looks like the whole chassis would just lift right out of the red part, which also works. Just have to be careful, boys and girls, of high voltages. Let's take those nice bullet connectors off. Yes, indeed. Speaker might stay behind though. Nope. Oh, look at that. That's special. And inside here are patent numbers. That's cool. Partly torn off. Unfortunately, the tube layout, half of that is missing. But it's okay. It's online somewhere. See all the heat damage from the tubes. All that scorched stuff. That doesn't look good. That capacitor right there looks unhealthy, I'd say. So the first thing to do to this would be to recap it. Get rid of all these old paper wound ones and put in some good caps, new ones, like I did the Zenith stereo. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tubes we have in here. We can test those tubes. And I'd like to just blast this out with air generally, because it's a feckin' mess. Decided to blow some of the dust off. It was really dusty back in there. It's all gone now, so I guess I'll pull one tube at a time, get out the tester, and determine which tubes are okay, good, bad, whatever. Alright, got my EMC Model Tube 13 out. Electronic Measurements Corp, New York, USA. This was given to me and it works just fine. It's a tube tester. Okay, a 3.5 WP, filament is 3, filament volts is F. The shunt goes to 20 and it should go into the good range. These are mini tubes. High-tech stuff for their time. I'm going to put this on 20 and we'll watch the needle. Yeah, I see the heater working. It's glowing. It's coming up. Come on, baby, go. Yep, there you go. Good. That tube is fine. Last tube tests okay. I only had one bad, and that one was the 50B5. So all in all, not bad. Just one tube needs to be replaced, and of course all these caps. Not even going to try to fire it up until I get the caps replaced, because it would just be a shame to fry all of the values on the outside of the caps. That helps. I know I can find a schematic, but you know. So yep, time to look for caps and get some ordered. This thing's gonna be so cool. Whoa, so I went on eBay. I already found a replacement for that 50B5. That's on the way, $6. And then I'm gonna shop out the capacitors. I've got a schematic that I found online. Gonna print that out, find out what I need to buy, get the caps ordered up, and then we'll get in there and solder all that stuff in, desolder and resolder and tubes. So that's been running for a while here, and it's doing just fine. So good little stress test on that one. Anyway, that's it for now. Next video, we're gonna do caps and the one tube. So thanks for watching. Till next time.